Hi, this is Catherine Dubberly, the Answer Lady. You may know my husband as Ask Jack. His name really is Jack, and we will be able to ask him the mechanical questions about our machines at 2 upcoming seminars. I'll be demonstrating, and he'll be handling your mechanical concerns. The seminars are in Raleigh, North Carolina, September 20th through 21st, and Cortland, New York, September 27th and 28th. Jack is going to tell you a little bit about himself and what he can do for you in this video.
Hello, I'm Jack. Once again, I'm working on one of the Answer Ladies' knitting machines. Now, you might ask, why am I doing this? Well, if you go back far enough, it actually goes back to when I was 2. Seriously, folks, I took my crib apart. My parents couldn't believe it. They came in one morning, I had taken it all to pieces. Well, for years, I used to fix things, and I didn't know until later that Pop actually brought home junk pieces, that he didn't have any care whether I fixed them or not. Well, by the time I was 8 or 9, I actually was putting things back together, and they ran again. Now, in the intervening time, the Air Force trained me to work on experimental jet aircraft. After I got out, Grumman Aerospace hired me to build the Gulfstream II jet. Since then, I've been to Ditch Witch School. I've worked for a GM dealership. I've worked for an international truck dealership. I've built trailers for Great Dane. I've been trained by Steel. I work on just about anything. The truth is, I love machines. I like working on machines. I like figuring out how they work. So what happened is, over the years, as the Answer Lady began to use machines that were a little older, we found out, hey, we not only can't get to the people that service these machines, sometimes they're not people. So her basic answer was, whenever something was needed, she would just ask Jack. Well, now that option's available to you also. We're going to have 2 seminars this fall in September, and the Answer Lady has been invited to both of them, and so has Jack. Now, if you come to one of the seminars, it's going to be the first time you may actually see me, other than the little picture that Catherine has on her website for an Ask Jack button. You can email me with whatever questions you have about your machine. I'll do my best to answer. But if you come to the seminar, you not only get to actually see me, but I'll answer questions about your machine. Now, if it needs some adjustment and I can do it there, I'll be glad to do it. If it needs some repair and I can figure out exactly what it needs, I'll tell you while we're there. But 2 times we're going to get together. Love to have you there. But until then, there's a button you can push. If you need to, you can ask Jack. Thank you.